Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really cool pocket hole jig kit. This is an excellent starter kit. I've done a lot of woodworking, and to have a pocket jig type kit that you can actually do vertically is actually a really nice addition to have. This is a nice aluminum block, and they like the fact that they've got measurements on the side here, little 1/4 inch measurements there, that you can easily twist this, slide it up and down and tighten it back down. And then they give you this piece here that you can screw this out, put a piece of wood in here. Maybe you're making picture frames or going to be doing some joint work, tighten that down. Now they do provide you with these 3 holes on the bottom that you can easily go to a worktop bench and screw those in, so this is in a nice solid position, which is absolutely imperative while you're doing work with a jig like this. It also does come with 2 separate drill bits, and I like the fact that they do send you with the 2, and you also get the ability to tighten this down and provide a collar as a stop, so that way whenever it goes down in here you can set it to the appropriate depth. I like the idea of 2 because if you have 2 different size measurements, 2 different size of wood, you can preset them and you're not having to go back and forth and adjust this all the time, which is really nice to have. This fits in here really well in a precision fit. If you're drilling that down in there, it stops at the stop and will only go down as deep as you need it to, just enough to penetrate it as it's supposed to, which is fantastic as well. They also do provide you with this piece here, which is of course your screwdriver head piece on this that you can put in here, and they even provide you with a few of these little jig screws to kind of get you started, so that you can put that in there and they'll work really well with that as well to help complete your woodworking project. So if you do a lot of fine woodworking, going to be building cabinets or shelves, or we're going to be doing picture frames and things like that where you need a lot of hidden joints, this pocket hole jig kit might be the one for you.